Ladies and gentlemen, JIAJI Electrical Appliance Company Limited, established in 1993 as Ningbo JIAJI Electrical Appliance Factory, is a company specializing in the production of electric hair dryers, hair straighteners, floor polishers, heat guns, and water dispenser faucets. What you see now is our factory. It covers a total area of 26,000 square meters with a floor area of around 23,300 square meters. There are currently over 600 workers, including teams of over 50 technicians responsible for the development and handling of electric hair dryers. This is our injection molding workshop with over 80 injection molding machines, some of which are manually operated. Here is our paint application workshop with 3 drying channels. After painting application, our workers arrange and check the products. This is our silkscreen printing workshop with 4-color and 6-color silkscreen printing machines. These machines that you see now are for making electric wires. These are automatic machines. This is wire winding. These are our production lines. Right now, we have 12 production lines. She is conducting basic tests of function. She is performing high voltage tests. Now, please take a look at our new test room. Here, our QC room is for product quality inspection. This is our product storehouse. We have 2 capable sales teams. This is our worker training room. Here is our sample room. Our company guarantees our production and service capacities with a modern management team, advanced inspection equipment, and first-class design and technical teams. You are welcome to visit our company and to inquire for any details and prices. For more information, please browse the websites www.jiebo.cc and www.chinajaji.com.